So guys, today we are making beans. So we are going to cook beans with some wrapped plantain. So we'll pour our beans inside. This is white beans. So I will leave it to boil before I wash the beans. Okay guys, it's time to wash the beans. So it's time for us to wash the beans. We can boil it. It's time to add the beans. So our water is already boiled. So this is parboiled beans. We'll pour it inside. So we'll cover it to be cooking. Meanwhile, let's go and slice some onions. Add in the onions. So you can see our beans is boiling. So we add onions. Let them cook together so that they can marry themselves very well. So we cover it to be cooking. Come back later. Guys, let's add our wrapped plantain. Have you ever used a wrapped plantain to cook your beans like this, the way I'm doing? Just try it out, you will love it. So I added a plantain inside. This is wrapped plantain. So I'm going to add salt. So that the salt will not too much. So I'm using 2 star Maggi. Try cook your beans like this, organic way. This is organic way to cook beans. Don't fry anything, just cook it like that. You will enjoy it. So I'm still going to add pepper. So I'm using breaded pepper, not fresh pepper. So I take small pepper, add it. So I will cover it to be cooking. Guys, it's time to add red oil. So it's time to add red oil, guys. So add the red oil. And we also add a little bit of onions. You can see this. Added onions. So we mix it. So guys, try cook your beans like this. Try cook your beans organic way so that you will enjoy the vibe of the beans. Cook it like this and try that with ripe plantain. So I will leave it to be cooking. Okay guys, our beans is boiling. So let's turn it. Cover it back. Okay guys, our beans is ready. You can see the beans is ready to eat. All we need to do is just to bring it down, let it cool down for a minute before eating it. Let it cool down before eating it. So I'm going to take the one I will eat, so I will leave it to cool down. Wow, this is yummy. Can you see this? Try cooking your beans like this, you will enjoy it. Don't put all those they are fry. Don't do anything fry. Just cook it like this. Normal cooking. Guys, share this video.